Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you're on Windows 10, a lot of you have been mentioning that you see the inetpub folder also. Yeah, it seems to have pretty much shown up on every version of Windows with the Patch Tuesday updates. Once again, some of you have deleted, probably. I have deleted mine. I'll see whatever happens. Microsoft says not to delete it, but if I go to my Windows 10 operating system, go to the File Explorer, check this PC, and go to the drive here, the C drive where Windows is installed. Indeed, there's an inetpub that was created April 8, 2025. So this was when the updates installed, and once again, Microsoft did say that this is created by one of the security updates, the patches on Windows. And in another order of business that I wanted to talk about Windows 10 is so funny because Microsoft issued a couple of pages this week of, why you should upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10, but overall without any explanation of anything new or anything major that would tell us, oh yeah, that would be a good idea to move to Windows 11. It's so much better than Windows 10. No, it just is so weird that even Microsoft itself cannot find any explanation or any feature that would compel us to move on. They don't know what to say to have people move on from 10 to 11. Kind of shows you that maybe there isn't that much new, interesting stuff in Windows 11 to talk about. I don't know. Just funny. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.